In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate the UCS coordinates in AutoCAD. Rotating the User Coordinate System, or UCS, is a simple way to draw and measure relative to the orientation of your geometry, instead of the default world axis. This is especially helpful when you're building. Part or detail is at an angle and you want the X and Y directions to line up with that angle for cleaner input and dimensioning. Start by bringing up the UCS command. Click into the command line, type UCS, and press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you to specify a new origin. Click a precise point in your drawing to serve as the origin of your rotated UCS. Corners, midpoints, or intersections are great choices because they're easy to reference later. If you rely on snapping for accuracy, make sure you hover over the right geometry so your pick is exact. Next, define the orientation of the X-axis. You can do this in two ways: either click a second point in the direction you want the X-axis to point, or type an angle and press Enter. Typing an angle like 30 or -45 gives you a very controlled result. Remember that positive angles rotate counterclockwise relative to your current view. If you are working from known bearings or specific slopes, entering the angle numerically is often the most reliable approach. After the X-axis is set, AutoCAD will ask you to define the Y-axis. If you want a standard orthogonal system, simply click a point that establishes a perpendicular direction from your new origin. If you click anywhere that's not exactly perpendicular, AutoCAD will still accept it. Creating a custom, non-orthogonal Y-axis. Watch the UCS icon in the corner of your drawing. It will rotate to reflect your new X and Y directions. With the coordinate system defined, align your view so it's easier to work. Type plan and press Enter twice. The first enter accepts the command and the second uses the default current UCS option. Your drawing view will rotate to match the new UCS, making horizontal and vertical input feel natural along your geometry. This step doesn't move or change your objects. It simply changes how you are looking at them and how AutoCAD interprets your directions and coordinates. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.